Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail. When creating your thumbnail, it's important to remember that the recommended size is 1280 by 720 pixels and in a minimum width of 640 pixels. With these dimensions in mind, let's dive into how you can easily create stunning thumbnails for your YouTube videos using your mobile phones. Method 1. Make a YouTube thumbnail on phone with the Phone Photos app. The Photos app on your phone offers a range of features that you can use to create a custom thumbnails for your YouTube video. Here are some of the features you can use: crop, rotate, adjust lighting and color, add text, and add filters and stickers. To create a thumbnail using the Photos app on your phone, follow these steps. Open the Photos app and find the image you want to use as your thumbnail. Tap on the image to open it. Then, tap the Edit button in the top right. You can use the crop and rotate tools, or tap on Edit. Now, tap the Filters button to access filter effects. Scroll through the available filters and tap on one to apply it to your thumbnail image. To write or draw on the image, tap here. This will open a toolbar with a variety of drawing and text tools. Use these tools to add your personal touch to the thumbnail. When you're satisfied with your thumbnail, tap done in the top right corner of the screen. And that's all. This method is best for users looking for a quick and easy way to create a thumbnail on the go and doesn't need many customization options. It's also a good option for users needing computer or graphic design software access. If you're looking for more advanced customization options or higher image quality, consider using other methods or software. The other method is use third-party apps. In addition to using the built-in Photos app on your phone, there are also many third-party apps that you can use to create YouTube thumbnails. Some popular options include Canva, Adobe Spark, and PhotoJet. These apps offer a wider range of customization options and design templates, making it easy to create professional-looking thumbnails even if you have yet to gain graphic design experience. One popular third-party app for creating YouTube thumbnails on both iPhone and Android devices is PixelLab. PixelLab is a powerful graphic design app with many features and tools for creating custom thumbnails. With PixelLab, you can add text, shapes, and sticker to your thumbnail image and adjust the image color, lighting, and other aspects to get the perfect look. You can also import your image or graphics for your thumbnail design. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.